हल्की हल्की स्टार्ट हो गई है. So it begins. That's easily like 7-8 inches. Can't go in. सुबह 4 बजे आके सफाई तो की थी उन्होंने थोड़ी सी. But this is too much. ओके बच्चा अपना ना बैग फेंक गया था, मैंने ऊपर लटका दिया कि देख लेगा, वो नहीं आया. चलो स्क्रीन पे ने एक्सट्रीम वेदर का नोटिफिकेशन आ गया. Good snow. उसके ऊपर टेबल के ऊपर 1 फुट है, लेकिन उसके पाँव से नहीं पता लग रहा, लेकिन इजीली 1 फुट है क्योंकि 6 इंचज़ है वो जो ब्लैक उसकी फुटिंग है बारबेक्यू की. ओह there's a part that's like 8-inch part. It's completely buried. परिंदा बेचारा ना आवाज़ निकाल रहा है. That's a lot of coal. इसके ऊपर नहीं आपने आना, ठीक है? मैंने ऐसी गराज बंद कर देना. That's a lot of snow. पूरी गाड़ी जो कवर अजलान की.
I'm not even touching the snow because I don't have clothes.
Oh my God. See? और यहाँ से कौन गाड़ी निकालेगा?
किसी ने उनका गाड़ी को ड्राइव किया?
ड्राइव तो नहीं किया, लेकिन ये हाँ लोगों ने की होगी. चलो ओए यार, गाड़ी के ऊपर अनबिलीवेबल स्नो पड़ी हुई है, स्केरी स्नो पड़ी हुई है. Alright, that is a disappointment. Last night we cleared the car, but this morning they did not come to clear the driveways. They did clear the walkways, but no driveways yet. They're like, you are on your own. There is a snow pile right there. I don't know when was that. Does not look like from the morning. Looks like from the day before. No. Yep. They did not clear. वो अली अंकल की गाड़ी एक खड़ी है, दूसरी भी खड़ी है. So वो उधर भी वो एक स्नो पाइल है, ये दूसरा इधर है. There are two. ना करो, don't. चलो, okay, we can't go this way.
Yes, we can.
Alright, so they did clear from this side. Let's see. I can go all the way. Car is buried. The rooftops are full of snow. Alright. Now we have to make a bikeway here. Oh boy, it seems like we are on our own to clear from the front. And look at all that snow, the mountains. Well, gotta carve a way at least to get to the car. Alright, carved a way, at least a walkway, so I can get inside. Snow is drifting from the rooftops. Sky is cloudy and gray. Somehow sun broke out, but still it's very windy. And there's another gentleman shoveling his driveway.